Bird and Kip, Episode 78, The Box.
I need this box.
Bird said.
I need this box.
Kip said. Bird sighed.
You can have the box.
Kip sighed.
No, Bird. You can have it. Really?
Bird asked. Kip nodded.
Thanks, Kip.
Bird said. Together, Bird and Kip lifted the box. They moved it to Bird's nest. Kip saw Bird's extra sticks.
I can make a bookshelf.
Kip said.
I'll use those sticks.
Kip got to work. Soon he had a bookshelf.
It looks good.
Bird said. Kip put a book on it. Crash! The bookshelf fell apart. Kip frowned. Bird looked at the sticks.
You can have the box, Kip.
Bird said.
I have an idea.
Bird fixed her basket with the sticks. She smiled. Nothing fell out. The box went in Kip's den. Kip smiled. It held all of his books.